Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, we are going to talk about the CopyBet app, a unique platform that combines sports betting with social networking. I'll explain what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. CopyBet is an online sports betting platform that lets you not only place your own bets but also follow professional tipsters and automatically copy the bets in real time. It's like social trading but for sports betting. You can browse different tipsters, see the stats and choose who to follow. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Then open up the app and sign up by creating an account with the details. Verify your account through email or SMS. Add funds to your account using one of the supported payment methods. Now let's go through the main features of the app. Sports betting. Explore the sports tab to see upcoming matches. Choose your sport, select the game and tap on the odds. Add it to your bet slip. Set your stake and place the bet. Browse the tipsters section to find professional bettors. Check the stats like win rate, profit, and recent performance. Tap copy bets to automatically follow the betting activity. Head to the promotions tab for bonuses, welcome offers, and cashback deals. Track your balance and betting history under my account section. Set deposit limits and use responsible gambling tools if needed. And that is how you can use the CopyBet app. It's perfect if you want to bet on sports yourself or follow experienced tipsters and copy the bets automatically. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more app guides and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.